Hi, my man. Push the button. Jacoby, can you push that blue button? Push that button. What does it do? Push this button. What does it do? What does it do? Do it again. Push the blue button. Push the blue button. Don't break it. Is it cute? Hi, my name's Jacoby. Happy birthday. Jacoby, look it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jacoby. Happy birthday to you.
No.
How old are you?
No.
2?
No.
Are you 2?
No.
Yes, you are. You want cake today? Want Grandma go get you a cake? You gotta give me a kiss, though, for a cake. Mwah! Love you. Should we go get the cake? Should we go get cake? What kind you want? Ice cream cake? Gigi said I should get you ice cream cake. Yeah. Okay.